Today, we are going to talk about 3 reasons why your lookalike audience isn't converting.
So reason number one with lookalike audiences, if you go too broad. So for example, if you go like, let's say more than 1%, you start going to like 10% because you want to just target a lot of people who kind of look like your audience. That's a big mistake. Keep it very tiny, keep it very tight. And what you'll find is your lookalikes will convert much, much better. I try to keep it pretty much at 1%.
Yep. Number 2 on why your lookalike audience is not converting. So here's the thing. Oftentimes when we hit our lookalike audiences, we go crazy and we uncap the frequencies, right? And so that means your ads can show forever, and that leads to ad fatigue. And this actually kind of combines with the creative as well. So just because you're targeting a lookalike audience doesn't mean that you don't need to switch up your creatives. And ideally, I prefer to not have my frequency that high. Maybe it's like 1 per day, but some people have a little higher than that. It just depends on whatever it is that you're selling. So that is number 2.
And number three, keep in mind these people are more cold than your existing traffic, your existing customers. So you got to do a little bit by more selling. In other words, you got to warm them up to your brand, use more testimonials, case studies, images, reviews, whatever it may be. You need to end up warming them up more, and you need to sell them a little bit harder. So for example, if I'm doing a 1% lookalike, I may end up showing them some ads before I try to drive them to my website with case studies or stats or data. And then I'll send them another ad or show them another ad that then drives people to our website and then sells them. In essence, I'm warming up just a little bit before I sell to them.
All right. So that is it for today. Please don't forget to rate, review, and subscribe to this pod, and we'll catch you later.